Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle is a high-performance option favored by players of all skill levels for its exceptional control, power, and comfort. Its standout feature is the graphite face, which provides a smooth and responsive hitting surface, enabling precise ball placement and a consistent feel. This paddle is known for its balance between control and power, making it versatile for various playing styles. The paddle's core is made of Onix honeycomb material, which ensures durability and a lightweight feel while maintaining a solid impact for powerful shots. Its wide body shape enhances the sweet spot, offering better accuracy and forgiveness on off-center hits. The cushion comfort grip adds another layer of appeal, providing a secure and comfortable hold during extended play. The grip effectively absorbs sweat and reduces hand fatigue, which is essential for maintaining performance during competitive matches. Weighing between 7.5 and 8.2 ounces, the Z5 is classified as a medium-weight paddle, offering the perfect blend of maneuverability and stability. The paddle's design also ensures excellent ball control without compromising on swing speed, which appeals to both beginners and advanced players. The Z5 paddle has a striking, modern design with multiple color options to suit personal preferences. Its combination of premium materials, thoughtful construction, and player-centric features make it a reliable choice for those looking to elevate their pickleball game. In summary, the Onix Graphite Z5 paddle delivers an excellent mix of power, control, and comfort. Its graphite face, Onix core, and cushion grip make it a standout choice for recreational and competitive play. With its lightweight and well-balanced design, the Z5 ensures consistent performance and is a top recommendation for players seeking versatility and reliability on the court. Number 2. The SLK Halo Pickleball paddles, available in Halo Pro and Halo Control models, are designed for players seeking exceptional spin, control, and consistency. Crafted with advanced carbon fiber technology and a RevCore power polymer core, these paddles offer a premium combination of performance and durability. The carbon fiber face is a standout feature, delivering a textured surface that enhances spin potential and shot accuracy. This makes the paddle an excellent choice for players who rely on precise ball placement and spin-heavy techniques. The paddle's consistent touch ensures reliable performance during both offensive and defensive play. The RevCore power polymer core balances power with control, offering a responsive feel and excellent energy transfer. This allows for powerful drives without sacrificing finesse on delicate shots. The core is lightweight yet sturdy, providing a solid foundation for high-level play. The Halo paddles are ergonomically designed with a comfortable grip, ensuring a secure hold and reduced hand fatigue during extended matches. Their lightweight design enhances maneuverability, making it easier to execute quick volleys in fast-paced rallies. The Halo Pro is tailored for power-oriented players, delivering maximum energy on every shot, while the Halo Control emphasizes touch and precision, catering to those who prioritize shot placement and control. Both models come in sleek, modern designs, appealing to players who value both aesthetics and performance. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles are engineered for players looking to elevate their game with a paddle that offers exceptional spin, consistent performance, and versatility. Whether choosing the power-focused Halo Pro or the precision-driven Halo Control, these paddles deliver a premium playing experience for both recreational and competitive players. Number 3. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball paddle is designed for players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort. Known for its versatile performance, it features Head's optimized tubular construction, OTC, technology, which enhances the paddle's durability while providing excellent power and responsiveness on the court. The paddle's graphite composite face provides a sleek, smooth surface that allows for both strong drives and controlled shots. This construction delivers a great blend of power and precision, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to intermediates. Inside, the dynamic power core ensures superior control and a solid feel upon impact. The core material is designed to absorb vibrations, which minimizes hand fatigue and promotes a more comfortable playing experience during longer matches. With a medium weight of approximately 7.8 ounces, the Radical Elite offers a balanced feel, providing enough power for strong shots without compromising on maneuverability. The paddle's rounded shape expands the sweet spot, increasing forgiveness on off-center hits and ensuring consistent performance. The paddle also comes equipped with a comfortable ergonomic grip, designed to reduce slipping and enhance comfort during extended gameplay. Its comfort grip technology helps reduce vibration, contributing to a more controlled and responsive feel. Aesthetically, the Radical Elite has a modern, bold design that stands out on the court, combining sleek styling with top-tier performance. In summary, the Head Radical Elite Pickleball paddle delivers an excellent combination of power, control, and comfort. It's an ideal choice for players looking for a reliable, versatile paddle that performs well in a variety of playing styles and offers great durability for long-term use. Number 4. The Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Pickleball paddle is engineered for players who prioritize ultimate power and control on the court. Designed with 360 proto-molding and FlexFoam perimeter technology, this paddle delivers exceptional durability, comfort, and performance, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive players. The paddle's carbon fiber face enhances its ability to generate power while maintaining a controlled response, allowing players to execute precise shots with ease. This feature, combined with the paddle's unique design, optimizes spin and provides excellent ball control, making it a great choice for aggressive playstyles and finesse players alike. The 360 proto-molding provides a seamless edge construction, ensuring a clean and consistent feel across the entire face of the paddle. This molding process improves the overall durability and impact resistance of the paddle, while enhancing the power transfer from the paddle to the ball for more explosive shots. The FlexFoam perimeter further adds to the paddle's performance, providing additional vibration dampening and helping to reduce arm fatigue during extended gameplay. Weighing between 7.8 and 8.3 ounces, the Vanguard Power Air offers a balanced mix of power and control, with a medium weight profile that allows for fast maneuverability and strong, controlled strokes. Its Invikta black design gives it a sleek, modern appearance, making it a visually striking option on the court. In summary, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Pickleball paddle combines cutting-edge technology, including 360 proto-molding and FlexFoam perimeter, to deliver superior power, control, and comfort. With its carbon fiber face and durable construction, this paddle is ideal for players looking for high performance and consistency in their game. Number 5. The XSXack Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle Tournament Edition is designed for high-performance play, offering a blend of power, control, and comfort for competitive players. This paddle features world champion surface technology, providing a textured carbon fiber face that enhances ball control and maximizes spin potential. This allows players to execute sharp, accurate shots and achieve the precision needed for competitive matches. The paddle's USAPA-approved polypropylene honeycomb core contributes to its lightweight feel while offering superior durability and responsiveness. The honeycomb structure not only improves the paddle's strength but also absorbs vibrations, reducing arm fatigue during extended play. This core design ensures excellent control over shots, whether players are executing fast drives or softer drops. Weighing between 7.6 and 8.0 ounces, the XSPAK Tournament Edition paddle strikes a perfect balance between power and maneuverability. Its medium weight allows for strong offensive shots while providing the agility needed for quick reflexes and fast volleys. The paddle's cushion comfort grip adds another layer of appeal by providing a comfortable, secure hold, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing overall playability. Designed for tournament-level performance, this paddle caters to players who demand precision, power, and durability. The world champion surface technology offers a superior ball feel, allowing for greater spin and shot placement. Additionally, the paddle's sleek design and professional-grade features make it a top choice for serious players. In summary, the XSXack Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle Tournament Edition is a high-quality, performance-driven option for competitive players. Its combination of carbon fiber face, polypropylene honeycomb core, and cushion grip makes it an excellent choice for players looking to enhance their game with power, control, and comfort.